This blanket over her.
La la la, a dragon jam over the bread.
This cat above you. An aeroplane is above you. Hi, I'm Sonia. Welcome back to your own channel of Explore Body, Mind and Soul. As we have already discussed about prepositions in our last video, so this video is in continuation of our. Today we are going to discuss the differences between few more prepositions. Please take a moment to press on the red icon to subscribe to our channel and then click on the bell icon given next to it. Let's understand the difference between beside and besides in detail. Beside is a preposition that means close to, next to, or at the side of. As we saw in the example, the teddy bear was sitting next to the girl. On the other hand, besides is a preposition that means in addition to or apart from. As we saw in the other case, 3 more girls other than Denzel were coming to attend the party. Now let's see a few more examples. We should keep a diary and a pen beside our bed. Would you have chocolates besides noodles and burger? There's a cockroach beside you. Many other kids participated in the play besides me. Let's discuss the differences between the next pair of prepositions, that is above and over. In case of above, there is no movement, whereas over is usually used when there is a movement. Above is used when something is at a level or at a height and not in contact, whereas contact may or may not be there in case of over. As we saw, there was a cat above her head, whereas in another example, Vanya was spreading jam over the bread. Jam was touching the bread and there was a movement while applying the jam. Next example was when the blanket was above the girl, the blanket was hanging. In case when the blanket was over the girl, it was touching her body and covering the body. Above is used for comparison, whereas over is used with numbers but not for comparison. Let's understand with the help of examples. He is immediately above me in rank. I have got over 1 lakh coins. Arjun's performance was above average. Over 1 million people voted for Congress. The city is 1200 meters above sea level. Over 700 people died in a plane crash. Hope the concept is clear. Now we'll proceed towards our next set of prepositions with and by.
Has this painting been made by you? Yeah, I painted with this lucky paintbrush of mine.
Okay. And by whom has this name been written?
It's written by me. I wrote it with this pepper.
Great. You're a painter.
Yeah.
With is used to show the instruments, whereas by is used to show the agent. As we saw in the example, Ahanya painted with the brush and brush was an instrument. Whereas the painting was made by Ahanya, Ahanya is an agent who made the painting. The name on the painting was written with an instrument, that is feather, but the person or agent who wrote the name was Ahanya. Similarly, other examples are Yuvika was killed by Tanishka with a sword. Here, Tanishka is an agent, whereas sword is an instrument. Keshav plays cricket with a rubber ball. Here, rubber ball is an instrument. That is why we used with. Tournament was organized by Keshav. Here, Keshav is an agent. That's why we used by before Keshav. Hope the concept of with and by is clear.
Who's taller between both of you? I am.
Who's the tallest amongst three of you?
I.
Our next set of prepositions are between and amongst. Between is used with two persons, places, or things, whereas among or amongst is used with more than two persons, places, or things. As we saw in the video clip, between was used for comparing the height of two individuals, whereas amongst was used to compare the height of three individuals. Let's see few more examples. Here's a border between India and Pakistan. India is the largest producer of spices amongst all the countries of the world. There is a bridge between Anya and Mansi's home. Aditi is the brightest amongst all the students. Put your head between your knees. The bees were buzzing among the flowers. Sankalp shall judge between us. Sankalp shall judge among us. Your feedback and comments are invaluable for us. But in case you have any doubts or any queries, you may post in the comment section below or on the Facebook group, link of which has been given in the description box below. I'll be glad to assist you. Keep exploring, keep sharing, keep smiling till our